A simple thing that we can do is always having a conversation with our children. So first is, as I said, we can model, we have to model the behavior that's from a home. And then secondly, you can do some activities, as I said, like in that you can include all these three pointers of assertiveness, problem solving, and empathy. These are second pointers. And then for children, we have to teach them delayed gratification and not instant gratification. When a child is crying, and then in order to just make them not to cry, just giving in, okay, whatever they ask, you're just buying them and giving it, that is also wrong. So they think that what they ask, whatever they ask, they have to get it, so they can't wait for anything. So those are small things that we can do. And apart from that, a very very important point is talking to our children right from young age. We think that they do not know or they do not understand, but they do even from children from 1 year of age, they do understand, though they're not responding, but they do. And when our children are becoming teenagers and when they're behaving, it could be they could be a victim of bullying, or they could be the a person who are actually bullying others. It could be either way. And when we want to change them in teenage ages, we can't, because we are not talking to them. But when we start talking to them from young age, then they'll be listening to us. And when they're exhibiting such behaviors in especially when they are in their pre-teens or teenagers, that time when we can talk to them, they will actually listen to us. So talking to the children is very important. And also for children who are being sent to schools, it is also very important to keep an eye with ask, have a conversation with your teacher, with the teacher, and then have a check with how their behaviors are. And some small four questions you can ask your child every day before going to bed is like, uh, you know what good did you see in the school today, or on the whole day? What bad did you see in the whole day? Or what how better I could have responded to you today, if we if there was a conversation, or if there's a argument or discussion, like what mistake did I do, or what mistake did you do in today's? So these are all very small four questions. So but then when you ask what wrong did I do as a parent, they'll be having an essay answer like, Amma, you should have done this, you should have told me in such a manner. So when that is also problem identifying, they're able to identify the problems. That is also a very bigger step to reach to problem solving. So when they're able to identify problems, like, Amma, you can do better than, you could have done this better, like this instead of this. So that is his first step. And then when we ask them what is good, what is bad, they're able to identify what is good and bad. And then by that way, when we try to converse with them, and we also able to understand them better, and we are actually listening to them. So this makes the children as if they're being heard and seen. So